Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Dependabot security alerts in GitHub, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to your GitHub repository. Once you're in the repository, look for the Settings tab located in the upper menu. Click on the Settings tab to access the repository settings. Scroll down the left-hand sidebar until you find the Security and Analysis section. Click on Security and Analysis to expand its options. In this section, locate the option labeled Dependabot Alerts. Ensure that the Dependabot Alerts toggle is enabled. Next, look for the Dependabot Security Updates option beneath it. Enable the Dependabot Security Updates toggle as well. Now, return to the main repository page. Click on the Insights tab near the top of the page. In the Insights section, select Dependency Graph from the drop-down list. You will now see the dependency graph for your repository. Return to the Settings page once again. Scroll back to the Security and Analysis section. Make sure that all other relevant security features are also activated. After confirming these settings, your repository is now configured to receive Dependabot security alerts. To check if alerts are being generated, return to the main page of your repository. Keep an eye on the Security tab for any alerts generated by Dependabot. You have successfully enabled Dependabot security alerts in your GitHub repository. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.